welcome to another exciting session of Jolly Phonics. Today, in this session, we are going to learn a new letter. Okay, can anyone recognize which letter is this? Which letter? Tell me. This is letter M. Which letter? M. This is capital M and this is small m. So let's start this session with the rhymes. So are you ready to do rhymes with ma'am? Yes? Very good. Now let's do the rhymes. Melons and mango fill my tongue, fill my tongue, fill my tongue. Melons and mango fill my tongue. Eat them, they are yum. Okay? Melons and mango fill my tongue, fill my tongue, fill my tongue. Melons and mango fill my tongue. Eat them, they are yum. What have you learned from these rhymes? The sound of letter M. So let's do together. Close your lip and say This is the sound of letter M. Okay? Very good. Now, who want to listen to the story? Who want to listen to the story? Everyone, hands up to listen the story and listen the story carefully, okay? Now, let's start. Story of letter M. Monu's dance. Monu was sitting on a mat, playing with his toy monkey. Monu was very fond of music. One day, Monu's mother went to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. Monu began playing his mandolin while waiting for his mother to return. Mother returned with mangoes and muskmelons. Monu was very happy as he loved mangoes. He began to dance and hummed as he danced. Did you enjoy the story? Yes? Very good. Now, do you want to do some magic? Take out the magic pencil. Very good. This is magic pencil. So let's trace first this M, then we will do sky writing. Now, standing line, come down. Then from here, slanting line. One more slanting line, go up. Standing line, come down. This is capital M. And small m, how you will write? Starting line, come down, then go up, make a curve, come down, make another curve, come down, make a small tail. This is small m. Okay? Now let's write on sky. Standing line, come down, then one slanting line, go up, then standing line, come down, uppercase M, and lowercase. Standing line, come down, go up, make a curve, come down, go up, make a curve, come down, and a small tail. This is small m. Now did we enjoy the story? Yes? Very good. Now, do you want to do some magic? Take out the magic pencil. Very good. This is magic pencil. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.